Namaste and welcome. This is a full body beginner flow. We'll start with getting seated in a cross legged position, relaxing your shoulders by taking a good roll. Lift up the shoulders and roll it back once. Push it down and stay here. Breathe. Allow your lungs to expand. Let your body surrender. Join your palms at heart center. Let's chant Om sound. Inhale. Om. A beautiful intention for your practice. Relax your hands. Take your time to open your eyes. We'll hold on to your front of the knees with the palms and sink your chest back, keeping it back to the right, to the front, making a good circle and breathing through the spine as you do this, keeping the hands straight at all times. Reverse the direction. Come back center. Take your left hand on the left side. Lift up the right palm. Soften the left elbows and release. Breathe here. Very gently taking your palms back up and going for the other side. Slowly coming up and release. Come down to all fours. From here, take your right leg back straight and lift up and drop it over on the left side. Keep pushing the right hip down and look back, trying to push the right hip more down. Stay. Come back to center. Lift your left leg and drop it on the right side. Try to look back, dropping the left hip down. Come back center. Taking your right hand ahead and left leg back to balance. Find the balance and stay. And release. Left hand, right leg. Just staying here and stabilizing the weight. Release. Curl your toes and lift up into a downward facing dog. Paddle your knees, bend your right knee, bend your left knee, bend the right, bend the left, bend the right, bend the left. Shift the weight ahead, come into a plank pose. Keep the weight on your shoulders, on your palms. Take the hips back again, downward dog. Step your right leg between the palms and lift your right palm up, lowering the hips, staying here and breathing. From here, slowly releasing the hands and switching the legs. Take the right leg back and left leg ahead. Left palm facing upwards, hips lower, and breathe. Relax your face muscles, relax your body, and stay. Slowly dropping your palms down, going back into a downward facing dog. Lift up both the heels and drop both the heels on the right side. Push. Lift up both the heels and drop it on the left side. Lift up both the heels. Come ahead. Drop your knees. Drop your chest and stomach down completely. Relax your head. Just stay here. Turn over to your spine. As you're lying down here, find the time to connect with your spine to the mat and further to the Mother Earth. Breathe into each and every vertebrate possible. Slowly bending your knees. Switch the palms facing downwards. Press it and lift up your pelvis. Inhale and hold up, pushing the shoulders down. Exhale, slowly come down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, slowly come down. Inhale, lift up. Hold it here. Press the palms nicely down. Push the shoulder blades and broaden your collarbone. Widen it. Now press the heels down and down like you're trying to dig the floor. Press. Keep pressing. Active digging of the heels to activate that hamstring. Strengthen those hamstring and glutes. And release. Bring both the knees to the chest, hug it nicely. Hands on the side. Drop both the knees on the left side. Look over to the right and breathe. Slowly bring the knees to chest and drop it on the right side. Bringing the knees to chest, giving it a good, nice hug. Slowly releasing it down. Spread your legs, palms facing upwards. Shoulders are relaxed. Face muscles relaxed. Fingertips and toes relaxed. Very gently bringing yourself back into this present state. Moving your fingertips and your toes. Stretching your palms above your head. Interlock it and give yourself a good length. Nice yawn, stretch out. Comfortably turn towards the right side. Push to the floor. You stay here with your eyes closed with yourself. Take your time to stay here longer. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.